Hi, my name is Christopher Dunn. I'm a third year mechanical engineering student doing my work placement in Cruigana Medical. I'm after completing my 6th week here. I'm in the manufacturing engineering section in Building 1 in Parkmore, Galway, and the past 2 weeks have been really heavily CAD based, and I've been doing a lot of work as well on the production floor. To be honest, I didn't really know much about CAD until the past few weeks, and I've really started to get a grip of it. I've been doing a lot of things. I've been drawing up stuff, creating new prototypes for the company. I've got a strong grasp on how AutoCAD works. I figured out how the templates are structured for the company. I've learned how to get all the finer, minute details that are required for some of the drawings into the drawings that at first I didn't really understand and kind of struggled to grasp at times. I learned about some of the 2D orientations that are best suited for when styling up the drawings, and when I was finished these drawings, then I had to send them to get passed by my manager, Brian Flanagan, and once he felt that they were suitable and that these prototypes were good, or some were not even prototypes, they were just changing features in some of the drawings, I was then asked to put it up in Oracle. After finishing my 6th week work placement, it was all really on the production floor. I've learned a lot about the machines and how they function. I've seen some of the finer details internally of the machine and why they break down, and it's really brought into perspective what I've been doing the past few weeks, and a lot of the things that I kind of questioned before are starting to come together, because I'm starting to see some of the more detailed functions of the machines. I figured out a greater insight into how all the lasers work by dissecting them whenever they broke down. A lot of the work the past week now has been left on my own shoulders, and I have to use all the knowledge I'd learned from the past few weeks and adapt this into fixing the machines. I've realized a lot of the functions, for example, like the deionized water helps cool down the laser, and that we need to have it at an ideal temperature of about 19 to 20, 21, 22 degrees Celsius for the laser to work at an optimum level, and to avoid tails, and to make sure the ablations are done correctly. I also saw a good bit of stuff that we'd done in college, like on the manual lasers. There's actually an internal robot which kind of cuts off these padding that they use to sand down the ablations, and the robots are they follow the 3 laws that we'd learned after Christmas and 3rd year, and I really started to be able to adapt a lot of the knowledge that I'd learned in college into this, and I felt it developed me hugely as an engineer the past week. After my first 6 weeks work placement, I couldn't ask for a better environment to work in. I've got a great staff around me and great employees. Brian Flanagan, my manager, has really helped me develop my knowledge in AutoCAD, and he's always been there for me whenever I've had questions, and Conor Nocton has been teaching me everything he knows on the floor, and I feel like at this rate I'm developing into a lot better of an engineer than I was a few weeks ago. I'm really enjoying it. I just hope that I can keep developing at the rate I've been developing at. I really want to learn more, and hopefully they'll be able to give me a few new projects throughout the next few weeks. I'm so satisfied with the amount of CAD I've learned, and now I've started to be able to fix machines on my own. I know at times I may not have the solutions to them, but Conor's always there to help me, and by him not helping me a lot of the time, it's making me learn, and I'm not making the same mistakes again, and I feel I'm really am developing, and I'm just really enjoying it. And I'm off on holidays now for the next 2 weeks, so I'm gonna put the legs up for a week or 2 and enjoy it, and then come back and really try hard to learn and develop more as an engineer.